Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Shakay. So guys, as you guys can see from the title, this is going to be my birthday glow up video. It's not necessarily a glow up, trust me. I'm not really do that much, but just extra when it comes to talking. Anyways, so basically in this vlog you'll see me doing my nails, and I'm not sure if I'll get to do my hair in this vlog or what. I think I'll include it, but I'm not sure if it'll be included because yeah. So basically I'll be wearing a wig for my birthday if I can install it, but I don't know if I can install it. I'll try. If not, then I'm gonna just curl my hair, my own hair, and wear it just like that. So yes guys, right now I want to start my toes because I want to do my toes before I do my nails, so I don't mess up my nails. I'm going to the nail tech to get my nails done, but I'm gonna do my toes for myself. So I wanted to do that now. Today is Thursday the 23rd, so yeah. Alright guys, good morning. I didn't get to do my nails yesterday, so yeah, we're gonna do our nails. I mean my toe, and then I have my appointment to do my nails at 10. It's now 8:44 or so, so I'm gonna do my nails before do my toes before I have to go. So yeah guys, I did my toes. Toes are done. Not listen, I do go again. Hi guys, so I'm gonna do my nails now. Oh yes, I don't know if me telling you, but my appointment got pushed back to 12 o'clock. It is now 11:50, so I am heading down to my nail tech. My regular good girl nail tech. So yeah guys, I don't know, I'm kind of excited for my birthday, but kind of not. You know, corona time, not really get to do much, but we are gonna get like a little drive out and get like food and probably like ice cream on my birthday. So yeah, I wanna walk and I'm bored, so I'll talk to you guys. Yeah, so yes guys, my socks all drop off. No star, why am I wearing that socks here? I don't even know. Anyway, soon come back up on the road right now. Alright guys, so I just waiting on the nails to get here. But yeah, I'll get these done and then go back out. So yeah. Hey guys, it's now 1:30 something and I'm heading back home. I got my nails done. I don't know if I don't see it good now, but yeah, my bad Pepsi on my way. But it's hot, so yeah. I asked me nail tech if she did want to go on YouTube, and she told me no. So she can't bother with the bag of chattings and all these things. So I never video her. So yeah, I'm going back home. I'm tired. Guys, I love this color. So normally, as I said, I get yellow and purple. That's normally my color, and then in Christmas time I get like red and green or orange and you know, something like that. But I tell her, say I know I'm probably not say me good because of the sun. I tell her, say just give me one color, and she find the color and she say she not think she ever use it. I say the color pretty, you see? Color just pretty, so yeah. I go, I'm tired. Alright guys, this is my nail. It's cute, you know. First I'm gonna try the color here, and it's cute, so yeah. Yeah, so the rest of my glow up will start tomorrow, which is Saturday. and then I'll just do my photo shoot. So those 2 videos is what you'll get in one, my glow up and my photo shoot. So yeah, I'm tired. I'm so tired. Hey fam, what's up? Alright guys, hi, how you doing? So today is Saturday, the day before my birthday, and you know I started this video already, so this is just a continuation. This is gonna be me doing, oh yes, as I showed you guys already, my nails got done yesterday, so that is cute. That is already glowed up. Need a facial. Anyways, so now I'm waiting on my sister to sweep, and then I go and wipe. But in the meantime, I'm going to cane my hair to start installing my wig and put on the, what you call it, the stocking cap part. I not even have a stocking cap. I don't know, I have to probably use one stocking and literally use that as the stocking cap. But yeah, I'm gonna cane this, and yeah, and then put that on, so but when I'm actually wiping, it will probably be drying. You get me? Get me? Understand? Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. Alright guys, the best I can do. Anyways, so I'm gonna try and install this and then leave it to dry. Leave me alone, let me. So this is the wig, same wig that I had on Christmas. So I'm gonna try and install this over there because my camera needs to looking at this. So I'm gonna look in the mirror and then get back to y'all. Alright guys, so I want to do my makeup on camera, or at least a speed through makeup look on camera. So yeah, this so fix, I'm gonna just pin this up for now because I need to do the makeup part of it. Feel like it a lift, but yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna do it later and tie it down again. And yeah, and then yeah, when me done do my makeup, me spray this and everything, make it go back to how it's supposed to look. So yeah, let us speed through the makeup look. So giving a look more closer to the light or whatever. I'm gonna do the ear. Bye bye. Alright people, we're gonna do our photo shoot now. And just say hi to my photographer. Hi, photographer. Anyways guys, yeah, so I'll tell her what I want and all these things, and then we'll get back to y'all. Let's go. Yes guys, so my teeth, my mother have a birthday, something we get from with Owen and she gonna use them. So me and my photographer, we're gonna find a spot and start. Oh yeah, start Sean. Boo. Hmm?
Let's go right there.
We're right here? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna put this right down there. Oh God, Kajay. Oh gosh, Kajay, I did not flower you, you know? I did not flower you.
Afternoon.
Hi.
It props them.
What do you want to know?
Yes. Come right to some.
Guys, the pictures are so good. Anyways, so guys, if you all want to see these pictures, please follow me on Instagram at brassbabygirl. They will all be posted there, y'all. And see how much we have to go through. Yes, I'm going through all of this. Thank you, photographer. Hi. They are. Hey Sunny, say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
How much flowers I got to pick up if I film something?
Not for your blue.
Okay guys, I am done. Them not sitting on a joke. I'm gonna put at least one, you know, a sneak peek. But if you guys want to see the entire photo shoot, all the photos we took, guys, as I said, follow me on Instagram, like and comment, you know. Yeah. But yes guys, this is gonna be the end of my birthday glow up plus photo shoot video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe guys, hit the notification bell, don't forget to like and comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.